it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a beginner friendly wig install, and this will be a glueless wig install as well. So I'm going to show you how to get your glueless wig to basically look seamless and flawless. But again, like I said, it is beginner friendly. So if you guys want to see how I do this, then please keep on watching. The wig that I'm wearing in today's video is from Omgherhair, and I have worn their wigs in the past. They are all beginner friendly wigs. Now the wigs are pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleach. Now this one has super undetectable pre-cut HD lace. They have made some changes to the wig designs recently. This is their new 3D dome wig, and what this does is give the wigs a better fit to the forehead, causing like less bulkiness, and the lace lays more flat on the forehead and contour to your forehead shape better, so you won't experience the wrinkles in the lace. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced that, but I hate when that happens, and this wig avoids all of that. And I'm just going to be showing you guys what the actual mesh looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it also has combs in the back and an adjustable strap in the back. I've never seen this where you can just adjust it like this. So this is what a regular wig cap looks like, and this is the difference with theirs. So theirs is more of a mesh, which is more breathable and it's thinner, I find, so it makes the wig wearing a lot more comfortable as well. And you can remove the combs. You guys know how much I hate the combs, so I'm really glad that I can remove the combs on the side, and because I never use them at all. And of course, everything that you need is included in the box. So you have a wig band, and this is used to melt down your lace, and also a comb. This is a rat tail comb. I really love these ones. And HD wig cap, which is perfect for HD lace as well, and we have about 2 of them, so it's super thin, and I love HD wig caps. As you can see, I already have my ball cap on. If you guys want to see an updated video on how I do my ball cap, please comment down below and let me know, and I'll do an updated video. I haven't done one in a while, and I've kind of changed up my routine a little bit. I have my ball cap. You can clearly see my hair, and when you are wearing an HD wig, you need to like camouflage that real good. Even though I'm doing glueless, you don't have to do the ball cap method with a glueless wig. Or I tried the wig on before I filmed the video, and the way they pre-plucked this wig was like literally to perfection. So you could see my ball cap poking through, and I just did not want to rely on concealer to blot it out. So that's why I did the ball cap method instead of just doing, you know, putting the wig cap on and not doing the ball cap method, because I usually just do a wig cap and not do the ball cap when I do glueless wigs. As you can see, if you're new here and you're new to wigs, I'm just putting some foundation on my wig cap just to kind of conceal my hair a little bit more, because the HD wig caps, they are super thin, but I definitely recommend them with HD wigs. I feel like they are a must. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm gonna try this on really quickly just to see how she's looking and see if we need to do anything to it. Ooh. All right, so this is how the wig is looking straight out the box. I absolutely love this color. Okay, yeah, I love this color. However, the lace, I have makeup on, it's super light, so I do have to get this to match my skin tone better. So what I'm gonna do to this lace is I'm just going to tint it. However, I have no idea where my tinting spray is, so I'm gonna have to do this with foundation today. Personally, I prefer to use a tinting spray. The one that I use, it's by Wig Gurus. I will link them in the description box down below, and the shade that I use is pure beige, but I don't know where it is, so we're gonna have to make do with the foundation. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the leftover foundation that's on my brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying that to the lace. The reason why I cut my wig cap, because this is actually a closure wig. Now I did realize that it was a closure, however, I thought that it could cover like that much and you wouldn't be able to see the ball cap, but you can clearly see it. So I had to cut off the extra ball cap. Now, you don't have to do the ball cap method. You could just apply your wig cap and throw the wig on, but you know, I like to make my life complicated. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig back on my head. All right, so now I'm gonna adjust the strap in the back of the wig just to tighten it, make sure this wig is sitting on my head real secure. Now I'm gonna remove the hair in the front because it goes down a bit low. So as you can see, the lace is going down a bit low, and my forehead, I don't have, it'll make my forehead look really like short. It'll make my hairline look weird, and I don't want that. So that's why I am removing that. And I think I'm gonna do a side part today, and I'm definitely gonna curl up this wig as well, because I just think this length is gonna look so good with like volume. Now I personally think that for me, if I want this wig to sit completely flat on my head and I can wear it like completely glueless, I feel like I have to put another elastic band in it just so it can adjust it a bit more. I do like the adjustment in the back, but I feel like it's not really like tight enough for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to get my melting spray, and I'm gonna apply some melting spray to this wig, and this is just going to melt down the wig and give the illusion of flawlessly, seamlessly melted wig. I'm gonna be using the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This one, it's by me. It is not a glue. This is just a melting spray to melt down the lace. This is not even a holding spray. It's a melting spray. Huge difference. Holding spray is basically kind of like a temporary glue, and when you pull on it, that wig is not going anywhere. It's like it's on put. This is a melting spray. Don't be pulling on this with a melting spray on, okay? We're keeping it glueless. However, I will be coming out with a holding spray very, very soon, you guys. I'm just doing some testing right now, but it's coming very soon. My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. All the info will be in the description box on where you can get this. It's bomb. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to spray this on my finger like so, because I have makeup on and I'm not trying to remove my makeup. I'm really not. So I don't even know why I'm putting so much at the edge right here, because I'm literally gonna cut that lace. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the extra lace. Usually I like to use a small cuticle scissors, but I have no clue where my scissors is. Usually it's on my desk, but I don't know. I'm not seeing it right now, so gotta make do. I don't like using the big scissors. All right, so I'm just gonna pop the wig band on, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then my lace will be looking melted, and I'm gonna style this wig. All right, so I was literally sitting here showing you guys what I'm doing, and I recorded nothing. And I'm kind of annoyed by that. So basically what you missed was this. I took this thingy off, the wig band, and then I have my contour brush, foundation brush, doesn't matter. I have my brush right here, and I have my cream contour. Now, the reason I'm using cream contour is because my forehead, I usually use contour on my forehead and make it a little bit darker. And that's what I'm doing with the lace, because the forehead is usually darker. I'm gonna go in with the contour just to darken up the lace, have it blend into my skin. Now, the reason why I don't use foundation that match my skin is because it would look weird. It's not gonna melt down and it's not gonna look good, because again, like I said, I contour my forehead, so I have to go with the same shades that I use on my forehead as for my lace. And I basically like applied it on the edges of the lace, so you don't see that white, you don't see the lace. It's just nicely tinted into the skin. So yeah, this is pretty much how the hair is looking. And I want some volume, some body-yaddy. Now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten down the wig a bit before I start curling the hair. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and just press the hair down. I use some hair wax, and I'm not really sure of the brand. I actually got it from a hair company. I'm not sure which one, but you can get a hair wax pretty much anywhere. I'm going to go in with my curling iron, my T3 curling iron, and curl my hair, and then I'm going to pop some rollers in. Now, the one thing I should have done was use hairspray, but I didn't really have the proper hairspray that I wanted to use to curl my hair. If I had done that, I feel like my curls would have definitely lasted a little bit longer. I mean, the curls were there. The volume is really what I wanted for this wig. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks once I'm done curling. I curled everything under except the piece in the front. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So I actually let it sit for about half an hour. I could have left it in for probably an hour. But again, considering that I didn't use hairspray, I do love the outcome of this, and I love the volume to the short hair. I just love this look, and let me know what you guys think of it. But yeah, I was so here for it, and the hairline on this wig was absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it is glueless, so it is very beginner friendly and easy to wear. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of mess around with the hair and brush out those curls a bit, because you know they're sitting in a way that I don't really love right now. But I'm just going to brush it out and go back in with my hot comb just to give the top of the wig a little oomph in the side. As you can see, I added just a tad bit of baby hair to the side as well. Not a whole lot, because you already know how I feel about the baby hair thing. But yeah, I add some spreads, so I think it was good for the front of the hair. However, I don't really use it to curl the entire hair. But yeah, this is how the back of the wig looks as well. Absolutely love the adjustment straps in the back, but like I said, I feel like my head is a bit on the smaller side, so I think an elastic band would have been needed for me. But I think the results looks pretty good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something from this. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.